In this video, we'll see about how we can get records and delete records in a flow. Consider I have a scenario. Whenever my account record is deleted, I want to delete all the related contacts under that account. That means whenever my parent record is deleted, all the child records should also be deleted. So in this case, account is my parent record and child is my contact records. In order to achieve this, for this demo, I'm going to create a record trigger flow. To create a record trigger flow, click on the settings icon, go to setup. In quick find box, search for flows. Click on flows. Click on new flow. Select record trigger flow. Click on next. Select auto layout. And here choose object. So account is the object. That means we're going to fire this flow whenever an account is deleted. So if you want to add any filter, you can add it. As of now, I'll just make this none. That will get me all the records and just click on done. So here I need to select trigger a flow when a record is deleted. That's it. And just click on done. Now here first thing is we need to get all the contacts under that account. And based on that, if there are any contacts, if there are any particular contacts under a particular account, so we need to delete it. So for that we have to get all the contacts. So I'm going to use get element here, which will get me all the contacts. I'll just name this as get contacts. And the subject is contact. And here we have to filter the add a filter. So we can filter using account ID field. Account ID equal to the ID coming from the dollar record. And I just want to get all the records, and I'll just automatically store all fields and just click on done. Now here I need to add a decision box which will decide if there is any contacts exist under an account or not. So I'll just add a decision element here. I'll just name this as check if contact exist or not. For the outcome, first outcome should be if contacts exist. The condition here is contacts from get contacts should not be null, and click on done. So basically what it does is it will check if the contact exists or not. If this condition will check if the contact will exist or not. If the contact exists, this loop will be executed. If there are no contacts under that account, this loop will be executed. If the contact exists, we need to delete the contact records. So for that I'll just add delete records element. I'll just name this as delete contacts. And I'm going to use ID stored in record variable. So we already have a record collection here. That means the contacts from get contacts, and just click on done and just click on save. I'll just name this as delete contacts under an account and just click on save. I'll just activate this flow. Now I'll just go back to my Salesforce instance. I'll just create a dummy account, test ABC. Click on save. And you can see here once I created an account, there is also an contact is already created with the same name. We already created a flow in the last session, like whenever an account record is created, a new contact will also be created. Now under this account I'm gonna add another contact here. I'll just name this as test DEF. Now my requirement here is whenever I delete this account, these two contacts should also be deleted. For that I'm gonna open both the contacts here. So now this is one contact and this is other contact. So what I'll do is I'll just try to delete this account. I just deleted this account here. Now I'll try to access both the contacts. I'll just do a refresh here on both the contact page. You can see here there is an error message saying like you can't access this record, like looks like there is a problem. That means the two contacts are been deleted. So we have deleted our account record, and also our flow deleted the related contact records. So now our flow is working fine, but we'll do one thing. We'll just try to delete 500 accounts. We'll try to test it bulkifying. So what I'll do is, first thing is I'm gonna insert 500 accounts. So now I've inserted 500 accounts here. Let's do a query on this. You can see there are like 500 accounts, and as I said, there is already a flow in this org. Whenever an account is created with the same name, a contact has been created. There is already a flow which has been active state. So you can see here there are like 500 accounts, and under each account there is one each contact. That means 500 contacts and 500 accounts. Now I'll try to delete all the 500 accounts, and let's see if these contacts are deleted or not. So I'll just do one thing. I'll just open anonymous window. I'll just execute this query. Now my my code is executed. Now we'll try to execute this query once again, and see, you can see here the total rows is 0. That means all the accounts are deleted, and also all the related contacts are also deleted.